This is the factorial calculator. This code defines a function to calculate the factorial of a number and then prompts the user for the input to test it. This program utilizes a function and a for loop to compute the factorial of a number. The program prompts the user enter a number using input, open and close parentheses, and int, open and close parentheses, converts the input string into an integer stored in num. And the print statement calls the find factorial here function with the user's number and displays the final result. So let's try it. So enter a number. Let's try 10. The factorial number of 10 is 3628800.